Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Adyen RevenueProtect. Review my usage experience. Adyen RevenueProtect. Review my usage experience offers fraud detection and prevention services for businesses using the Adyen payment platform. It's aimed at merchants who want to minimize chargebacks and protect their revenue from fraudulent transactions. Key features likely include real-time transaction analysis, machine learning-based risk scoring, and potentially customizable rules for flagging suspicious activity. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Adyen positions RevenueProtect as a crucial component of a secure payment ecosystem. They highlight ease of integration with the Adyen platform and emphasize the reduction in financial losses from fraudulent transactions. Their website mentions robust security protocols but doesn't explicitly detail pricing structures beyond needing an existing Adyen account. Availability is tied to having an active Adyen merchant account. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Adyen RevenueProtect. Setting up RevenueProtect was surprisingly straightforward. After contacting Adyen support, who responded promptly, I might add, they enabled the feature within my existing account. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed key metrics like transaction volume, flagged transactions, and the overall risk score. I especially appreciated the granular level of detail provided for each flagged transaction. It included timestamps, location data, and even the device used. The system's performance was excellent. It flagged several potentially fraudulent transactions that I would have otherwise missed, saving me from potential chargebacks. I had one quick question about customizing the risk thresholds, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email with a clear explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed reporting options beyond the dashboard itself. A downloadable report would have been beneficial. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Adyen RevenueProtect. It's a powerful tool that significantly enhances the security of my online business, and the ease of use makes it a worthwhile investment. That's my overview of Adyen RevenueProtect. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.